Welcome to the Raizo Smart Lock tutorial video. We use a lithium battery. Press star hashtag, enter your preferred 6-digit administration code. Re-enter the code to confirm and finish by pressing hashtag. Enter star hashtag followed by your 6-digit code that finishes with hashtag. Select 1 to add users. Press 2 to add your fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint 5 times. Select 2 to add a password. Input a 6-digit code, finishing with hashtag. Enter again with hashtag to confirm. Select 2 to add a card. Press 1 to add a face unlock. Unlock the door with your fingerprint. Enter your password to unlock the door.
Scan your card on the keypad.
Insert your key into the keyhole to unlock the door. Look at the camera to unlock. Download Raizo Smart from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Key and star hashtag, followed by the 6-digit admin passcode to authorize. Press 4 for system management. Press 6 for network configuration. Select 1 for Smart Confine. Select Add Device on the home page. Go for Camera and Lock. Choose Lock with Wi-Fi from the Smart Lock option. Switch to 2.4 GHz network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Press Next on the Reset the Device page. Check the box and enter Next to connect. Press the Done icon after the connection is successful. Select the device and choose Temporary Password, then Time-Limited Password. Press Add to create time-limited password. Enter or generate the password randomly. Select and create the expiration time. Then enter Save. Enter star hashtag followed by your 6-digit admin password and hashtag to authorize. Press 3 to delete users. Press 1 to delete by numbers. Enter the user number to remove an individual. Press and hold the reset button with a pin. Release the button after 5 seconds and enter hashtag to confirm. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.